This week now marks a year since a Howard County teen died from carbon monoxide poisoning. It happened while he was outside ice fishing.
Tonight, our Jenna Webster shows us how his dad is now working to honor him and help others.
Right there.
You can go to the tackle shop for your bait and bobbers.
You get that down like 105. Like he's always fooling around.
Steve Ford
He was all the time buying.
can go for memories of his son. Because his photo album will never grow.
Yeah.
16-year-old Joe Ford was ice fishing when he was found unresponsive.
As a parent, you go through all of those steps before you even know the details, but it's still not enough to prepare you for the truth when that finally arrives. And,
Carbon monoxide poisoning,
it's just
the coroner says.
it just takes a piece of you.
The boy was using a propane heater in the fishing tent without enough ventilation. That was 1 year ago, January 26th. 1 year.
It doesn't matter what time of the day it is or what's going on, you can just pull it out and just kind of go back.
Since he lost his boy, who loved nothing more than hunting and fishing.
It was just a small idea just to tell people about it at first. And then we thought we could do more than that.
So 1 year later, Steve plans to hand out 1,000 carbon monoxide detectors.
You'll also get a Joe Ford memorial sticker. That's just a reminder that, hey, when I see that sticker, I should maybe check my batteries.
A simple reminder, he hopes, makes all the difference.
So if this was another situation and he was here, more than likely he would be right here beside me doing this right now, trying to think about what would Joe do.
What would Joe do?
These carbon monoxide detectors here.
It's a question often asked this past year,
If you could share those.
but one he knows the answer. In Kokomo, Jenna Webster, 13 News.
Ford plans to hand out those carbon monoxide detectors on February 14th at different businesses in Kokomo. He hopes it'll be an easy portable item for people to keep in different areas of their house or bring with them when they go hunting and fishing.